Hi there and welcome to Phosphorus 5. So tonight I was one of two participants in the Shitty Programming contest. Shitty Programming is a group at Reddit with a pretty awesome administrator. Me and this other guy was kind of like in a shit throwing contest. And it culminated in that we had like a programming match where the objective was to implement a specification. We were basically given the specification for the IT systems of Jurassic Park. I mean, obviously none of us could finish it. We weren't even close to finish it. However, here is my system as far as I've come. And I want to emphasize this isn't exactly how the system looked like when the program contest was done, because I've spent a couple of hours brushing it up and cleaning up the code and such, because I actually want to implement the system, because I think it's a really cool theme park system, possibly something that might be a good use case for Phosphorus 5. So the application is intended for running in kiosk mode or being launched through QR codes. And it's intended to run internally on the LAN of a theme park. It's not like a publicly facing website or anything. That's not its intention. Its intention is to be a ticket purchasing and theme park guiding system. And I want to build all sorts of features into it later. However, this is after I have to admit, I've spent some 2, 3, 4 hours this afternoon brushing it up. So, I mean, it wasn't nearly as cool when I was done with the contest as it is now. So you can click exhibits. Then you can click the T-Rex tour. You can link in YouTube videos and stuff like that.
T-Rex can leave a bite mark.
And then you can purchase a ticket, Thomas Hansen. And this form is being validated. By default, I'm subscribing to the newsletter. The number of adults, okay, there are 2 adults and 3 children. Here is the disclaimer for signing up to the newsletter. Then I click done, at which point I'm given a choice of payment methods. I only have PayPal at the moment, which is actually going towards my sandbox, by the way, but that's easily configurable through the web.config. So I'm being asked to log into PayPal. So the system is already 100% complete in regards to being capable of accepting payments and everything. And then when I have paid, then what's happening then is that a record is created and inserted into my MySQL database, at which point I can just enter the gate for the exhibit and provide my name and my email address, at which point the administrator can check to see if that name exists in the ticketing system. After 10 seconds, this dialog is deleted. And that's because the system is intended also to be displayed in kiosk mode. You can close it explicitly if you want to, of course. So that's how it looks like for a customer. For an administrator, the system looks like this. So he has one additional button here where he can create new tours. Foo bar tour with dinosaurs, price 45, children price 27. And this is actually a markdown editor. And it also automatically embeds YouTube video. If I had a YouTube link here, it would just automatically create in the embed code. You can save, you can edit. And then if I open up the exhibits, you will immediately see this tour, and customers can already start buying this tour. Right, you must supply a name. I didn't supply a name, I guess. And then, of course, I can delete tours and I can edit existing tours. And that's roughly about how far I've come. I still need to implement ticketing backend admin parts where administrators can see the tickets, However, if I go to Hyper SQL here, you will actually see that the system inserts everything. Here are all the exhibits that exists. Here are all the subscribers. Records are only inserted into the subscribers if you choose to check off this checkbox when buying a tour. This checkbox here. Here are all the tickets. And then each ticket belongs to a ticket collection. The ticket collection actually contains the purchaser name and the purchaser email and whether or not the batch of tickets is used or not. And then each ticket's collection points to an exhibit ID, right? So it's 4 tables in MySQL, and yeah, I guess that's it. So that is the InGen ticketing theme park system. And of course it works perfectly on your iPhone or tablet or whatever. So here's how it would look like on an iPhone X. Here's how it would look like on an iPhone Pro, Galaxy S5, etc. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.